Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna Monet. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if this is your first time here, then welcome. Last week I showed you guys how I installed this gorgeous crochet hair from Trendy Tresses. I am really feeling this hair, you guys. I just woke up, I didn't do nothing to this hair, and this is how it's looking. You can see my edges. Yeah, they not even laid, they still a little crusty, but it's okay. This is how the hair is looking. You know, she cute. She cute. Let me turn around. So the hair is a very nice quality, but it is so long. I got 20 inches of the river curl hair, and it's long, y'all. Like, and it even falls down a little further on my back. I would say like it almost stops like at the end of my back. So the hair is beautiful, but it is long, and as promised, I told you guys I would be coming back just to show you how I cut it, trimmed it up, shaped it up a little bit just to give it a different look. So that's what I'll be doing today, and we're gonna get this started. Okay beauties, so this is the final result. This is the haircut. How do you like it? How are you feeling it? I am going to turn around so that you guys can see it from all different angles. So I hope you guys could see that okay. I know I'm like in a different chair today. Also, let me give y'all a close-up of the earrings, because Creative said she did not get to see them last time. I think with the shorter hair, you can see them a little bit better. So Creative Creole, that was for you. Y'all check out her channel. I was nervous about cutting it, but I think it came out really cute. I think it came out nice. Like, I am feeling it cut also. Also wanted to give you guys like a close-up of the parting space. I forgot to do that in the initial install video, so make sure we get a nice little close-up of the parts. And as for like a 1 week update on the hair, it's holding up really good. Even better now that I cut it, you know. It's curly hair and it is synthetic crochet hair, so when you run your fingers through, you're bound to get a few tangles. Honestly, I really don't even like run my fingers through it or try to brush it or comb it or anything. I just try to fluff it up. I sleep with a bonnet on every night. All I do is pretty much put it in a pineapple, put my bonnet on, and then I wake up and I fluff it up. And this is how it's looking. I didn't put anything on it, haven't put any spray on it, nothing. And it's looking pretty good, you guys. So the quality, like I said, is there. If you are interested in purchasing this hair or in the particular curl pattern I got, then check out the link in the description box below. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what was your preference when it was long or now that it is short. Which one you liked better. I would love to hear from you. And I do believe that is all I have for you guys today. So I hope you all are staying very safe, healthy, staying indoors, stocking up on groceries, stocking up on toilet tissue, child. Just stock up on everything, but don't panic buy. You know, leave some for the rest of us. Leave some for somebody else, okay? Stay safe out there, y'all. Take care of each other, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Later.